Hey guys, it's Austin and
Trenton.
Today with
Special occasion.
with AT Cars, and today we'll be working on
The Mercedes.
the Merc. We're doing something pretty easy, but it's actually very useful and and it's pretty easy. I already said easy, but I mean it looks nice.
It's like what, 30-minute to an hour job, depending on.
Yeah.
You know.
All right.
There they is.
Thine running boards. So it should be pretty easy. We've seen the videos.
Which side's the front? Which side's the back?
Oof.
Oh, dick.
So, the easiest way to say how to remove and install this, we're going to have to take off the sliders and all that first. But then basically, it's just a couple clips like right there. And then there's a whole bunch of just bolts underneath. So you don't need to lift anything. You don't need to... You just basically start off by taking the jack holders, and then off, and then you go from there. So, it should be pretty easy. We'll try to record it all.
Hopefully it'll look pretty good. And then next is hubcaps. She needs new hubcaps. My mom's car that we like to work on.
Now, we would have Tank over up in here, but sadly, Trenton has a story for you.
Yeah, so the exhaust studs fell out. So I got new ones. And the guy who originally did the exhaust, I just took it to him because he can do it a lot quicker than I can with the right tools and more than one person.
We're gonna need to charge this thing.
Oh, here we go.
Again. Bar.
We're gonna do this little plug here again. Tint's holding up nice.
Bolt that tint in. Ooh. That tint right there. Ooh.
Man!
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. And I'm going to be McNeeding some...
Mountain Dew?
No.
Bella! Bella!
Bella.
Bella! Bella!
We're going to be needing a charger for the camera. Otherwise it might die.
I've got my camera. This is my... Yeah, so we just finished up. Stupidly hard, you know, simple things.
For some reason.
Not so simple. Oh yeah, this is my room, by the way. I don't think you guys have ever seen it.
Yeah, so anyways, the installation process basically went, you'd go bolts, no, yes,
No?
no,
Snaps.
oh yeah, you'd go with the snaps on the end to the bolts, to then the clips,
Mm-hmm.
you take them off.
And then that's the stock one, and the
That's the
brackets,
stock.
6 bolts off, new bracket, 6 bolts on, and then we tried to clip the end, but there was a gap. I think there
There was
was
something messed up with
an
it.
18th of an inch to a 34th of an inch too
It doesn't look
small.
terrible. It works.
It doesn't look bad.
And then you put on the bottom. We put on the bottom bolts first, then the end clips, and then the middle ones, and then you put the 4 or 5 top caps down, and then you're done. So it's not too hard.
I know, but overall, it looks good. Turn my lava lamp
looks
on.
good.
Wait. Ah! Boom! Shotgun shell Christmas lights.
Alright, anyways, that's probably going to do it for this video. We're going to try to post more videos, hopefully soon.
Well, yeah, because summer's coming up, so we're not gonna have school, so it'll be decent. So
Today's Monday and we don't have school. Yeah, we don't have school tomorrow either, so it's pretty nice.
maybe you get like 3 videos in a week. Get this, because we'll find something to do tomorrow.
We'll find something to do.
Let me tell you, Bill. Oh, yeah, I just heard my car. So the update on that is I don't get it back till tomorrow at noon. Because they tried new studs, so hopefully that works out.
And then my car.
Bill.
So my car, I'm gonna do a poll.
Sorry.
Anyways, I'm gonna do a poll down in the comment section if you guys would like to see which one of these two first. Should I go wheels and tires, which I'm gonna post pictures here of what I want to do, or should I do an exhaust, which I'll post here. Anyways, so just do that comments and
Yeah. Anyways, this has been AT Cars.
we'll
And,
probably go. Ooh, hey.
Oh, shit.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
Okay,
Just-
okay.
The next video should be an update video. I have some stuff, news, reasons why I haven't been uploading, some new stuff. I'm going into his closet now. Yeah.
Oh, and comment down below if you guys want to see some RC,
stuff, because we both have Traxxas.
But check this out, I also have one of these.
Anyway, so it'll be the update video, and probably the one after that is going to be a proper my car tutorial review, whatever you want to call it, video.
It's got headlights. And she does Bernie Sanders.
Fat
So
clowns.
you guys can see right here. We'll go to the old burnout box. If you guys are wondering, you can get these on Amazon for like $9. So
You Bernie Sanders?
it's a little sticky. A little sticky tonight.
Yeah, Bernie's okay.
Oh, there we go. I got him. Roasting them.
Hey, Bob. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. It's been me. It's been Trent. It's been Miss Boo, the shop dog.
She's shop dog.
She's shop dog. We'll be seeing you guys in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in, my guys.
And how many times did we
And
do
girls.
this in the video? If you can count during the speed laps,
You get a free T-shirt.
you get a free T-shirt with which are our limited edition, non-existent T-shirts. Besides the 2 that
But
we have,
we'll make one, and you'll get it for free.
we'll get a merch shop going when we hit 10,000 subscribers.
That's a big goal.
That's a big goal, but I think we can do it.
I think we can do it. So,
Dude,
you know, shout out to your friends.
Best friends?
Oh my god.
You gonna karate at the garage? You wanna go do running boards in the garage? Alright.
Okay, I need to change. so
Okay,
I can
cool.
Take a shower.
So yeah, we'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you did like it. Drop a dislike if you didn't like it. Tell us how we can improve. Yeah. Until the next time.
Lit, homies.
We'll see you. This has been AT Cars. Done like an outro like 4 times now.
Coming on you live. Coming on.